Hello, my Toy Story Workshop fans. Today we have Disney Store Lenny. So before I open this, I want to show you some updates that I did on some characters. You guys know I got a Disney Store Jessie with the bendable wires. I made a movie accurate Woody with JCPenney body, and I just got done 3D printing him a range pistol. He has magnet badge. And I put a magnet inside Jessie, so now she's Toy Story 5 accurate. And yes, we're doing this video outside, so it might be a little loud. I'm just realizing that. And then I made this ducky a few months ago, probably like 7 to 8 months ago, and I just made this new one earlier today. Just got done. This is more movie accurate because this one I just made out of scratch. Like I 3D printed the duck head and the baby body. The Pez is official. This is fully 3D printed except for the spring that I just so happen to have laying around. So yeah. Next up is a Toy Story 3 multicolor movie accurate Buzz Lightyear head that I 3D printed. It took like 20 hours, so it was worth it. I had a magnet at the bottom. See, like, so yep. Then I got this Lotso at Five Below. I tried to make him a cane. It was too small, but I could just adjust at any time. But not right now. But anyways, let's get to the unboxing. There's like no Disney Store on the box at all, so you guys can see my full reaction on this because I only seen videos of it. Ooh, I see it. Oh! Yo! Oh my god. Check that out. And it winds up as well. I got this as a Christmas gift for my aunt. Thank you very much. Comes with a little paper thing. I don't know what it's for. Oh my god. I've seen so many people review this and it made me think, why not just get it as a Christmas gift? Because I couldn't really think of anything else to ask for. So, yeah. The best part, he winds up, actually. He actually has a wind-up feature. So, let's get him out of the box. Well, actually, let's review the box. So, yeah, you see the... He doesn't need any batteries whatsoever. This thing is, like, movie accurate. Hold on, let's get Woody close to this. Oh, yeah, that's definitely movie accurate. I did 3D print a Lenny at some point, but his legs kept breaking, so I had to throw him out. Oh my god. Can't see anything. How do I... Here's a little click feature. Yeah, this is cool. Oh my god. This is so cool. And he even has googly eyes. Too bad you can't actually see it through his binoculars, because that would be like accurate. See, I don't know if there's instructions in this thing, but oh my god. Okay, let me see if they have like any instructions inside of this thing. That would be the box because I actually want to keep it. He's not coming with any instructions. I mean, it does say on the box, wind-up feature with googly eyes, and it says ages 2 and up. But yeah, this is pretty cool. This is like Wow. Like you can see the way his feet work. So I don't get what this click feature is for. It's just there, I guess. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And this is a pretty cool tool. I recommend it. So see you to infinity and beyond.